Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if your credit card declined on Fortnite. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to close the game and relaunch it. So something went wrong, payment error can appear in Fortnite due to the server problem or game lag. But you can fix the error by quitting the game. So after quitting the game, just relaunch Fortnite. So try to make the purchase again and then check if the issue is still there. And if the issue still persists, what you can do next is to change the matchmaking region. So Fortnite, an online multiplayer, allows you to change your settings for the matchmaking region. So this mostly helps with the combating high ping, but it can also fix something went wrong Fortnite payment error, and you can try changing the matchmaking region setting to fix this issue. So first, just launch your Fortnite and click onto the menu and select these settings from the options and open the game tab and scroll down and look for the matchmaking region, so which is this part right here as shown in the photo. So use the left or right left arrow button to change the region to the lowest possible ping and just close the settings and try to make the payment again. And then what you can do next is to try to purchase from mobile. So some users have reported that they make purchases when the payment is made through Fortnite mobile version. So to avoid something went wrong payment error, just launch Fortnite on your mobile and try to make the purchase. And then lastly, what you can do is to check your account access. So if you are consistently spending on in-app purchases using a single credit card or account, the possibility is that Epic Games may block some payments for security reasons. So in such a situation, you have no option but to wait a few days or week before making more purchases on Fortnite. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.